Hey guys, how is it going? I hope you are doing really well today. Let's take a look at how to insert data in the database. So in the previous videos, we have created our model, our product model, and we have attached with it the products table. So we want to insert something in products table now. So we are not going to hit products table directly. What we are going to do is to make a product object, and then from there we are going to insert the data in the products table through the uh, product object. So let's do that. We are using Tinker tool provided from the let's clear this up, provided from Laravel, and it's also used in many different web application frameworks. So to open the Tinker tool, we will type in the terminal php artisan tinker, okay, and we will reach to this shell or terminal shell, terminal commands, where we will insert the data from there. Actually, you will not use Tinker in the real life projects, but now for testing purposes, we are going to insert our data from there. If you want to insert data in your application in a professional way, or if you want your users to submit data, you will make something graphical user interfaces, some friendly interface to those users to insert data from there. So let's create now a product object, and to do that we will make a new product variable, and then we will type new. Let's type app. It's the path for the product. It's in the app folder. Then we will find the product inside the app folder, app/product, right? It's an object. I always do the mistake of this. It's a backward slash. All right, so now we have the product object. Now we are going to insert data in that object, and we have these three columns that we can fill out. The ID column and the timestamp columns are pre-built or automatically filled for us. So let's fill the name column. And to do that, we will use the product variable that we have just created, and we will type an arrow, okay, and we will type name, which is the name of the column, okay, and we will type equals to, let's say we are inserting a car in this database, okay. So we have inserted a string as a car. Now let's insert an amount, and to do that we are going to do the same thing, product, it's a price, not amount, price, right, and it's a double, so we are going to insert something with 750.66, all right, and it's inserted. Now let's try something. We are going to save this data as it is. We didn't insert the details yet, but I want to show you something, that what if you got an error of this thing, of this type. You will not going to scratch the internet and find it out. I'm going to tell you how does this error comes. So let's save this data in the database. If you refresh now the database, you will find nothing. You will find nothing there because you didn't save this data yet. And to save it, you will type the product. You are still hitting this product variable, and you will type the save function, okay, and let's save it. It will tell you that field details doesn't have a default value, okay, which is realistic. We didn't insert details yet, and we didn't set the details as a default value. So let's set the details column together by typing the variable's name, product, and arrow details, all right, and let's say that this is a very good car. All right, let's close this and semicolon, and let's insert this details in the database. And finally, let's go back to this command, and to go back to previous commands, you just have to hit the up arrow button on your keyboard. So let's enter this, and we get this true in our command line, which means that everything went well with you. So if we go to the database and we refreshed the page, we will find that the car data are in our database. So that is it for our video today. I don't want to take so long. We will continue in the next video to get this data back from the database from our controller. See you there, and bye.